Welcome back everyone, and now we are going to, as I have promised, connect multiple colors of our LEDs with Arduino. So I will take one more wire just like this here, this one, and now connect that wire with my Arduino. To connect it with any other color like G. Instead, the last one was with R, this one is connected with G, and I am going to connect this G pin with something like pin number 7 of Arduino. Just like that, I've connected my pin number G of my RGB module to the pin number 7 of Arduino. I am using male to male jumper wires. You can get all of this stuff from Amazon or any other store if you like to. Write pin mode 7 output, obviously. And what else I have to do? I have to write digital write 7 high. So 5 is low, 7 is high. Let's try to upload this code, and from now on I will simply press Ctrl U to upload my code. You can see the loading, and now my green LED is on. If I turn 5 high and 7 low, so red LED will be on. Let me do that again. Now press Ctrl U. Now red LED will be on. Yes, everything is working fine. We have discussed the delay command, delay, and I am going to add a delay of 1 second between these commands. Then after 1 second delay, I am going to shift the LEDs from this one to this one. Then I am going to write a delay. So if I press Ctrl U, now green red should be, yes, it's working fine. It's really beautiful. You can check it with your own hardware as well. Now let's play a little more. I'm going to reduce the delay 100. It will be more beautiful. Press Ctrl U. Now look at that. Wow. And whatever else you want to, you can use the blue LED, however you want to play with it. And with that done, this short class is completed. And in the next class, I am going to take input. We are going to do something new. I am going to take input from the environment to the Arduino. But before that, we have to learn, yes, one more thing, serial input or serial monitor. So we will do that, obviously. I will see you in the next class.